You somewhat relieved. What's this in my yard?
Let's get this. I'm done for today.
You want me to cook?
Oh my god, I was expecting something different.
Just loosen it up and just see what if the boat has a tendency.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so the truck has spun out and we're waiting for possibly a backhoe.
Chain is
Under
the chain up
tension.
at the rudder there now.
Okay.
It's under tension. Yeah.
Yeah, although they'll be extended, we're going to try to lift the whole boat up and then reblock the keel to hold it.
This is more stressful than I thought.
Not more fooling around, but oh well.
Yeah, it's because the ground is so wet.
Yeah.
I did, and I told her not to worry. We're going to take really good care of her.
I don't think I was there as much as I was.
She was a little teary, and I can understand why. Well, here we go on the next leg of the adventure. Yeah.
Going across the causeway.
I'm finding it a little stressful, although I have nothing to do with it, so it's like...
The first time I've seen you somewhat relieved. What about you?
You see me smile all the time. What's this in my yard?
Let's get this done so we can have supper, and then I'm done for today.
You want me to cook?
Yeah, you can get that.
I can start. I thought. What are we doing here, Brian?
We're gonna take the mast off the boat. Took 6 of us to get it up there. We're gonna get off in 2.
Easy
with the help of a tree.
Yeah. Well, the tree's like 4 people.
If you set up over here, I think you get more.
It's a good workout.
Two guys could handle it, right?
Oh yeah.
Getting over your head is the problem.
Yeah.
But it can be loaded up the same way we unloaded it.
Yeah.
Instead if I had a pulley, I was going to go buy a pulley, but tree work.
Okay. First tour of the boat. What do you got here? It's the cabin. It smells old in here.
1967.
Cooking station. What do we got here? I don't know what I'm looking at. There's a radio there. Another radio there. Keys. Cool. Some storage. More radios. Wow. This is perfect. So this is where your guests sleep, basically your crew. Yeah. Oh, what? Yeah, this needs a little bit of. It's actually pretty decent though. Like everything in here is still mint. It might need some polishing up, but this is the head.
Yeah.
Sorry. I used to. This is cool. First time in a sailboat. It's actually pretty decent shape, man. But I feel like Leonardo DiCaprio. Cool. You excited for your new project?
It's a bit of work.
It's actually not that bad, I think.
Is it what you expected, Dustin, or what you thought?
I think it's better than the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah. I always wanted a sailboat.
Yeah.
Ethan, it's your first time on a boat.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Woo, woo. Careful, watch your step.
We decide what we're going to keep and what we're going to throw away. I guess I absorb what I got myself into, and I start looking at what it's going to take to get it to where we want it to be. And it looks like we got a decent Dodger. Just missing a couple hapses. Windows are in good shape. We're thinking about changing the color, but this stuff's all good, so it's crazy to throw this stuff away. So the boat's a 67, but the engine's actually a 91 Westerbeek, so that's good.
Water in it.
Yeah, I think we'll end up changing the sink, taps, the whole 9 yards in there.
And
Maybe even the countertop, we'll see. That's our biggest project probably.
actually, I think there's proper teak oil / wax that you could put on it, and it never has to be painted again.
It says it's a 1990 model, so the boat's a 67, so anyways. This would be a chain locker, I guess. Again, this boat's 1967, so it's been lots of modifications, I'm sure. So the previous owners that we bought it off had the boat about 17 years. Prior to that, there was another gentleman. He didn't bring it up from Florida, but the guy he bought it off, so 3 owners ago, I guess, somebody brought it up from Florida. And I guess that person was a marine engineer. That's probably the guy that put the diesel engine in it, because it was originally manufactured with a Atomic 4. Significant modifications with the fin keel. This boat was originally manufactured with a drop keel somewhere. It's the fisherman's paint. I figured I'd try that. It's good enough for fishing boats, but great for inside. Covers really well, nice and thick, and it's a well base. Still got some oomph to it. But here's inside the chain locker. Done. That's where the water bladder is going to go, as far as I planned. Here, I'm just going to keep working our way back, painting underneath there with the fisherman's paint, white. Make this all nice and clean, new looking. We're going to paint the walls here. These old, I mean, for 54-year-old walls, it looks pretty good. But it's kind of dated. We just want to update it. We're going to paint it all white, I think. We'll do the closet next. And then this washroom. We're going to totally do this washroom. I think the plan is now to have a, we're going to rip out all the old plumbing, and we're going to have a composting toilet. I think it's more painting. Painted the chain locker yesterday. Today now I painted the where the water tank goes. So underneath the V-berth. So I took off the chain plates. So this boat has a very good system for chain plates. So bulkhead, mounting. So it's got a big bar going from bulkhead to bulkhead. Well, here we are on the boat again today. Just doing a little bit of woodworking. Got the closet painted here. All turned out nice. Smells nice, nice and clean, nice and dry now. Hey, hey! We're back at the boat again. It's almost winter here, so my days of working on the boat are few and far between. You can hear the wind rustling out there now. Getting some bad stormy weather. Not stormy, I guess. High winds, rain, lots of rain. This is the new water bladder. So this is supposed to be 30 gallons, so let's give us extra water capacity. So here it is here. So this is going to fit. We're going to put this in here. It's a 30 gallon. I'm hoping I'll get 20 of it at least. So that's better than nothing. Our tank's going to wash. I got to rip out the washroom. That's going to be a key part of all of this. So we rip that out. Well, it's winter. Things are going slow. I'm gonna start ripping and tearing this thing out. So. Well, another day at the boat in this weather. So I think I'm gonna rip out the washroom. That's my next step there to figure out, carry on with the plumbing. So now I just got to keep ripping out till I get to the end of the old stuff and start rebuilding. So anyways, don't expect to get much done today. Well, I expect to get it ripped out. So I'm gonna rip all this out, build in my own washroom. This tank is coming. We're putting composting, so everything we're gonna collect, and then we're just gonna dump it when it gets full. We're actually doing that in our house right now. Oh, that works good. I like that idea. Just a vent and it's plugged up anyways. No good. Alright, we're not going to be needing that anymore either. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'll just cut that right there. I think I'm pretty sure I got a bit of extra wire if I need it. You know what? They're actually solid. They're heavy. They're actually not USA. What does it say? Made in USA, yeah. Not bad. You might end up using this again. It's a pretty good little sink. Just needs to be cleaned up. Okay, well we got all the main stuff out of here. Grind this off, fill that in. It looks like that was yeah. So you can see there was modifications made to this for sure. Yeah, so here's the old plate from before. The episode you're watching now will be the last bit of work I done in 2021, and then we'll jump right into 2022 summer. It gets pretty heavy into major repairs.